How to delete a league in fantasy football. So all you have to do is just go to your app, which is the fantasy football, and make sure that this is up to date. So make sure to go to Play Store and make sure to update this, or it will not work properly. And once you are in the screen, you just have to wait. And as you can see in here, I have my roster in here. As you can see, then just go to League and you could see the league manager tools. This is where you can delete your league. As you can see, this is my league, my 135 league. So go to league manager tools and go to basic settings. Now, once you are in here, you could see the league creator only. You could see the delete league. Once you click this, as you can see, once you have click this yes, delete league forever. It will never, as you can see, this action cannot be undone and it will delete this league forever. So I just have to click that. And once that's done, your league has been deleted, and you could also create a new league for your fantasy football. And that's it.